The trick of this game is to disarm the bugs. Alright, what you want to do is save one of the ones on the very, very far left, the bottom 2 rows, and then go all the way over to the corner right over here. Okay, the only way, see how he's firing 2 shots right now? The only way that he can hit you is when he comes off the screen. He'll come off the screen, and then he'll drop one over here, and then you just move back and miss him. All right. Now, see, right now he's dropping 2 at a time. All right. This trick takes anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Okay. So you're only going to do this if you just want to stay on the game for a long time. It's like my high score on this is 4 million. I've actually flipped the score 4 times, and I've actually flipped the machine twice. And in flipping the machine means whenever you start, like on stage 1, like it just said, what you want to do is it'll stay after stage 255, it'll say stage 0. Okay, and if you noticed how the bugs came in from the top, on stage 0 they come across the bottom and then go up. Trick is, it's like whenever he comes down the screen 4 times in a row. See how he dropped 1 right there? Okay, so whenever he comes down the screen 4 times in a row without firing a shot, okay, that is when you want to shoot him, and then the rest of the game, none of the bugs will fire. Alright. He's continuing. I think he's about right there at the 1 pattern. Okay, maybe. Okay, this one actually took a whole lot less time. Do you see how he's coming down the screen right now and he hasn't fired a shot? Alright, yeah, so right now the bugs are going to be disarmed for the rest of the game when I shoot him and everything. So let's get on with it and I'll show you. Alright, let's see if we can do this without dying there. Alright, oh, another thing is, okay, if he ever drops a shell over here and then it comes in over here and it actually hits your ship, okay, you have on this machine, that's like my ships aren't showing because the monitor got shifted somehow and everything. But anyway, you can get, as long as you didn't run into him, you can just put another ship back over there and continue. So, but if you run into him, you got to start it all over. Alright, let's do it. Let's show you. Alright, let's set this up. Well, let's hit him first. Alright, here we go. Alright, see how they're supposed to be firing? Not firing though. Now let's see if we can dock. Come on. There we go. Alright. Now let's see if we can not kill him. Dang it. I killed him. Alright, you're not supposed to do that. Because I wanted one here. Alright. But you get the point. Yeah. It's hard to do this and worry about your, okay, there we go. Get it? Forgot about this. Alright. Anyway, now you see how, it's like the, they're not firing or anything like that, so, stage 4.